Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you a guide to choose your pendant light. This video is done in collaboration with Scandi Supply, our sister company that supplies minimalist Scandinavian decors for your home. Pendant lights are a staple piece when decorating a home. It adds visual appeal and elegance wherever you place it. In comparison to a typical spotlight, pendant lights diffuse the light it gives off and creates a softer atmosphere. It is sometimes called a drop or suspender and is a lone light fixture that hangs from the ceiling, usually suspended by a cord, chain, or metal rod. You might be wondering, what's so good about it? So here are 3 reasons why a pendant light is a must-have when decorating your house. Let's begin! One of the pendant light's advantages over other types of lighting is its versatility. There's a wide range of pendant lights available in the market. If you have a minimalist, contemporary, modern, or any other interior theme, there's almost always a pendant light for you. It also varies in different sizes depending on the size of your room. Whatever the interior decor you have at home, whether it is a minimalist concept or industrial style space, a pendant light can complement it easily. Pendant lights are adaptable and flexible and could be adjusted depending on your preference, especially in terms of height. You can adjust the suspension or how high you want it to be. This is especially important as some homes may have a higher ceiling or a false ceiling, depending on the interior design of the home. Hence, the pendant light's adjustability is highly advantageous. The light bulb used can also be changed depending on the ambience you want to create. A yellow-orange hue creates a warm atmosphere, while a white hue creates a cooler atmosphere which is suitable for office spaces. Pendant lights can be used as a statement piece, especially in a minimalist home. In the midst of a neutral palette space, having the soft glow of an eye-catching pendant light can add personality in your home. It is also suitable for other design styles as it is not as exaggerated and extravagant as a chandelier, but not as simple and dull as a normal hanging ceiling lamp. Besides its visually aesthetic properties, it is also highly functional and practical as it diffuses light efficiently. Perfect as a space-saving reading or task lamp when hung lower. Are you sold yet? If not, let me show you the different types of pendant lights you can choose from. First, we have a drum pendant. This is the most versatile style of pendant lights, suitable for almost all interior design styles. It adds a modern feel with its clean, rounded edges and uniform colored exterior that diffuses the light efficiently in the room. Glow pendants are usually just a light bulb encased in a sphere, typically made of glass. This adds an elegant flair and sophistication in a home. It is no doubt a statement piece that draws attention, hence it is suitable in rooms where guests usually congregate, such as the living or the dining room. Due to the dramatic look it brings, it is important to choose the right color and finish that is complementary to your home. This pendant light is a classic due to its clean and traditional silhouette. It is less dramatic than the first 2 pendant lights, however, this only increases its versatility. It is highly suitable for any design styles due to its simple yet practical use. This pendant light style has been gaining popularity due to the elemental feeling it brings in a home. Due to its unique visual properties, it is highly suitable for spaces with neutral palette and clean lines. The best feature this pendant light has would be its versatility. You can experiment with it as much as you want, and it creates a playful yet charming vibe that prevents a home from feeling dull. Multiple mini pendant lights are usually used in a modern or contemporary styled home. It is also highly convenient as there are multiple light sources in one, providing ample light in a space where lighting is necessary. An example would be on top of a kitchen island or a long dining table. It can also be hung in foyer areas where there are corridors or entryways, as its dramatic look will no doubt wow any guest you have in your home. As its name suggests, abstract pendants are the statement piece must-haves if you want to impress any guest you have in your home. It is extravagant, like a chandelier, and will make any home look grand and luxurious. It is more than just a lighting fixture. It is typically regarded as an art piece, hence, it is best placed in an area where it can be seen and admired easily, like the living room. Like any other lighting fixtures, choosing the right color temperature can set the mood in your home. When the color temperature is low, the light tends to be warmer, more yellow. This mimics evening sunlight and is easier on the eyes. This promotes relaxation and helps us wind down after a stressful day. Warm light is perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in areas you want to chill with friends and family. Most people choose this color for their living room or bedroom as it is the place for resting. This is the sweet spot between warm and cool light. If you're looking to create a natural effect, daylight is the color for you. It mimics natural daylight and can be comfortably used anywhere in your home. However, when the color temperature is high, the light tends to be cooler, more bluish in tone. This tone is more suitable for studying or working as it heightens alertness and increases concentration. Cool white complements contemporary and modern decor as it casts a fresh, clear glow. It's brighter and more focused, making it a popular choice for use in bathrooms and kitchens. So where are the best places to place pendant lights? For the living room, we suggest using cool white light for a boost of mental concentration as well as a heightened sense of transparency. You can add a bit of warmth and variety to the space with a warm white floor lamp. Although most of the homes have their dining connected to the living, usually you can still put a different set of lightings there. Under a warm white light, the color of food increases in saturation and this raises our appetite at mealtime. This is why you see high-end restaurants placing a warm white lamp or a candle on their tables. Besides the purpose of illumination, the lights also improve the diner's appetite. For the bedroom, opt for warm white lighting with lower color temperature, ranging from 2700 to 3000 Kelvin. This is because cool white light suppresses the secretion of the sleepy hormone called melatonin and interferes with our body's circadian rhythm, messing with our sleep. Take extra care to create a sense of warmth and comfort in the bedroom, since the space is where we rest and recuperate from our busy day. Cooking requires a great amount of concentration, which means cool white lights are more suitable for the kitchen. After all, you're going to wield a knife and light a fire there. Adequate lighting is necessary for effective cleaning and spotting dirt and grime. Overall, the kitchen looks cleaner in a cool white light. The bathroom is where we relax and unwind. But most bathrooms have cool white lights installed instead, which allow you to see clearly. This is mostly due to safety concerns as the bathroom can be slippery. To reconcile the need for relaxation and concerns of safety, you can choose to install extra light near the washing basin and the bathtub or shower stall. Finding the right pendant light has a lot of considerations such as style and light temperatures. However, once you find the right one, it can definitely set the mood in your home and impress guests. So which of these pendant lights did you like? Comment down below which one you'd like in your home and do tell us what else you would like to learn next. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when we post our next lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye!